Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Farming gets smart, a new era in agriculture. The world of farming is changing. Gone are the days of relying solely on intuition and tradition. Today, a new era of agriculture is dawning, one driven by technology and innovation. This is the era of smart agriculture. Smart agriculture is about using technology to make farming more efficient, productive, and sustainable. It's about using data to understand the needs of crops and the land itself. And it's about finding ways to produce more food with fewer resources. This shift towards smart agriculture is driven by several factors. The global population is growing, putting pressure on farmers to produce more food. Climate change is bringing unpredictable weather patterns, making it harder to grow crops reliably. And there's a growing awareness of the need to farm sustainably, protecting our planet for future generations. In the face of these challenges, smart agriculture offers a beacon of hope. By harnessing the power of technology, farmers can overcome obstacles and build a more resilient and abundant food system. Feeling the pulse of the field, the magic of soil sensors. Imagine being able to listen to the whispers of the soil, to understand its needs and secrets. With soil sensors, this is no longer a farmer's fantasy but a tangible reality. These small, ingenious devices are revolutionizing how we care for our farmlands. Soil sensors are the unsung heroes of smart agriculture. Buried beneath the surface, they act as the eyes and ears of the farmer, constantly monitoring the soil's vital signs. They measure moisture levels, nutrient content, pH balance, and even temperature, sending this valuable data directly to the farmer's smartphone or computer. The benefits of this real-time information are immense. Farmers can now irrigate their fields with pinpoint accuracy, providing just the right amount of water to each plant. This not only conserves water, a precious resource, but also optimizes plant growth and yield. Furthermore, soil sensors help farmers make informed decisions about fertilizer application. By knowing exactly which nutrients are lacking in the soil, farmers can tailor their fertilizer use, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. Soil sensors are a prime example of how smart agriculture empowers farmers with knowledge. By understanding the soil's needs, they can nurture their crops more effectively, ensuring a bountiful harvest while safeguarding our planet. Eyes in the sky drones take farming to new heights. The use of drones in agriculture might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's quickly becoming commonplace in modern farming. These flying marvels are revolutionizing the way we approach farming, making it more efficient and sustainable. These unmanned aerial vehicles are no longer just high-tech toys. They're powerful tools that are transforming how we manage and monitor our crops. Farmers are now able to harness the power of technology to gain unprecedented insights into their fields. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, drones provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their fields, offering insights that were previously impossible to obtain. This technology allows for a level of precision and detail that was unimaginable just a few years ago. They can scan vast areas of land in a fraction of the time it would take a farmer on foot, identifying problems before they escalate. This rapid assessment capability is crucial for maintaining the health and productivity of crops. One of the most valuable applications of drones in agriculture is crop health monitoring. This allows farmers to keep a close eye on the condition of their crops throughout the growing season. By capturing multispectral images, drones can detect subtle variations in plant color and temperature, indicators of stress, disease, or nutrient deficiencies. This level of detail helps farmers address issues before they become serious problems. This early detection allows farmers to intervene promptly, preventing widespread damage and minimizing crop loss. The ability to act quickly can make a significant difference in the overall yield and quality of the harvest. Drones also play a crucial role in precision agriculture. This approach to farming focuses on optimizing every aspect of crop production. They can create detailed maps of field topography, soil variation, and even plant density. These maps are invaluable for making informed decisions about how to manage the land. This information helps farmers optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, ensuring that each plant receives the specific care it needs. By tailoring their approach, farmers can improve efficiency and reduce waste. The use of drones in agriculture is a testament to the power of innovation. This technology is helping to drive the industry forward, making it more sustainable and productive. By taking to the skies, farmers can gain a deeper understanding of their land and crops, making more informed decisions that benefit both their bottom line and the environment. The future of farming is here, and it's taking flight. Section 4. The Thirst Quenchers, Automated Irrigation for a Sustainable Future. Water is the lifeblood of agriculture, but in many parts of the world, it's also a scarce and precious resource. Efficient water management is crucial for sustainable farming. Traditional irrigation methods, while essential, can be inefficient, leading to water waste and environmental degradation. These methods often result in overwatering or underwatering, which can harm crops and soil health. This is where automated irrigation systems step in, offering a smarter and more sustainable approach to watering crops. These systems are designed to optimize water usage and ensure that every drop counts. Automated irrigation systems take the guesswork out of watering, using sensors and weather data to deliver water precisely when and where it's needed. This technology allows for real-time adjustments based on current conditions. These systems consist of a network of sprinklers, drip irrigation lines, or other irrigation methods, all controlled by a central computer or smartphone app. Farmers can monitor and adjust their irrigation systems remotely, ensuring optimal performance. The benefits of automated irrigation are manifold and extend beyond just water savings. By delivering water directly to the plant roots, drip irrigation minimizes evaporation and runoff, significantly reducing water consumption compared to traditional flood irrigation. This method ensures that plants receive the right amount of water without wastage. This not only conserves water but also reduces the leaching of fertilizers and pesticides into groundwater, protecting water quality. Cleaner water means healthier ecosystems and safer drinking water for communities. Moreover, automated irrigation systems can adjust watering schedules based on real-time weather data. This adaptability is crucial for responding to changing weather patterns and ensuring efficient water use. If rain is forecast, the system can automatically postpone irrigation, preventing overwatering and waterlogging. This feature helps maintain soil health and prevents crop damage. This level of precision ensures that crops receive the optimal amount of water, maximizing growth and yield while minimizing waste. Healthy crops lead to better harvests and increased food security. In a world facing increasing water scarcity, automated irrigation systems are no longer a luxury, but a necessity. They represent a critical tool in the fight against drought and water shortages. By embracing these technologies, farmers can ensure the sustainability of their operations while contributing to a more water-secure future for all. Sustainable farming practices benefit not only the environment, but also the global food supply. Section 5. Precision Planting, GPS-Guided Tractors. Steer farming into the future. Imagine a world where tractors drive themselves, planting seeds with pinpoint accuracy and navigating fields with the precision of a surgeon. This is the promise of GPS-guided tractors, a technology that is revolutionizing planting practices and ushering in a new era of precision agriculture. GPS-guided tractors use a combination of global positioning system technology, onboard computers, and automated steering systems to guide tractors along pre-programmed paths with remarkable accuracy. This eliminates the need for manual steering, reducing human error, and allowing farmers to plant seeds at the optimal depth and spacing for maximum yield. The benefits of precision planting are numerous. By optimizing seed placement, farmers can ensure that each seed has the best possible chance of germination and growth. This reduces the need for replanting, saving time, labor, and resources. Furthermore, GPS-guided tractors enable farmers to plant crops in straight rows, even in irregularly shaped fields. This improves efficiency in subsequent farming operations, such as spraying, fertilizing, and harvesting, as equipment can move more easily through the field. The adoption of GPS-guided tractors is a testament to the increasing sophistication of modern agriculture. By embracing these technologies, farmers can enhance productivity, reduce waste, and operate more sustainably. Section 6. Year-round Bounty. Smart greenhouses defy the seasons. For centuries, farmers have been at the mercy of the seasons, their ability to grow crops limited by the vagaries of weather and daylight hours. The unpredictability of nature often led to crop failures and food shortages, impacting livelihoods and economies. But what if we could create ideal growing conditions year-round, regardless of the climate outside. Imagine a world where fresh produce is always available, no matter the season. This is the promise of smart greenhouses, controlled environments where technology is used to manipulate temperature, humidity, light, and even carbon dioxide levels to optimize plant growth. These innovations are revolutionizing the way we think about agriculture. Smart greenhouses are essentially high-tech greenhouses, equipped with an array of sensors, climate control systems, and automated irrigation and fertilization systems. These components work together seamlessly to maintain the perfect conditions for plant growth. These systems work in concert to create the perfect growing environment for each specific crop, ensuring optimal temperature, humidity, and light levels throughout the day and night. This precision allows for healthier plants and higher yields. The benefits of smart greenhouses are numerous and far-reaching. By controlling the growing environment, farmers can extend the growing season, producing fresh fruits, vegetables, and flowers even during the winter months. This capability is particularly valuable in regions with harsh climates. This not only increases food availability, but also reduces reliance on long-distance transportation, lowering carbon emissions, and supporting local economies. Local produce can reach consumers faster and fresher. Moreover, smart greenhouses can significantly reduce water and fertilizer consumption compared to traditional outdoor farming. This efficiency is crucial in areas facing water scarcity. By recirculating water and nutrients, these systems minimize waste and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. This sustainable approach helps conserve natural resources. Smart greenhouses represent the cutting edge of controlled environment agriculture, offering a glimpse into the future of food production. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the potential of technology. By harnessing the power of technology, we can create a more resilient and sustainable food system that can provide fresh, nutritious food year-round, regardless of the climate outside. This innovation holds the promise of a brighter, more food-secure future for all.